Welcome back to Innovation RC, guys. Today is a really special day. If you guys saw the teaser I released last week on the jet car, that's what we're going to be doing today. And we do actually have a little bit of an audience. They were kind of interested, so let's make it happen. Let's see what this has got. I'm going to do a little background review on it, so stay tuned. So you're probably wondering or asking yourself, how did I get these? You know, I don't have a 3D printer. I actually reached out to one of my really good friends. If you guys know RC Physics, Rod Newhouse, he probably has one of, if not the most intelligent, most knowledgeable mindsets regarding all of this electronics, all these RC questions that you have. And his channel explains a lot of it. So RC Physics and Innovation RC has teamed up to make something really awesome. For the inside, I actually hooked everything up prior, and it all comes out swimmingly. EDF's attached. We have twin Mamba X ESCs running on twin 4S. There's one 4S over there, another one underneath. Not even powered by the 6S battery yet. What we're going to be doing first, we're going to be seeing how much thrust, if it's able to overcome the inertia of just the bare vehicle alone. Now we're looking at about 14.5 pounds of how much this car weighs. We have the main motor unplugged, and we're going to be doing a bare EDF test. And after, we're going to be combining both when they're done down there to see what we can do all combined. Now, if you guys were wondering exactly how I have these thrust tubes and EDFs mounted, they're actually, if you see, GoPro mounts. Now, of course, with that, unlike the previous generation jet car that I made, you know, it was kind of mounted to the front. It was on my splitter. But this, all you have to do is unplug EDF wires, because I made extension connectors from there. Pop, pop. And there we have it. The whole thing comes out. It's a quick release, and I was thinking about it, like, what if I crash? I want a braking point, and it's a real cheap braking point, a GoPro mount, you know? I highly doubt these 3D printed thrust tubes will break if I were to crash. You know, if it stays implanted, that's a different story, but if these mounts come loose before the EDFs, then these will be saved, which is what I was totally considering, if anything, if I were to crash. So you always have to build something and expect the unexpected. All right, we're gonna power it up. Play me a song. Beautiful. And there we go. That was actually pretty cool. All right, one more pass. This is gonna be the faster pass. I'm in it. Woo! That's moving. All right, gents, we're all zeroed out, and we're actually gonna be doing a little speed run with only the EDFs. So this is just the EDF assist of what we're gonna do. And I'm actually going to run back over there just to save power so we can get more of a true reading. Here we go. That is crazy. Yeah, not to mention these batteries don't last long to save weight. That was pretty moving. You know, only for an assist, it easily pulled this thing. 31 miles an hour. Let's try to go into the shade. That's pretty solid, guys. 31 miles an hour. There's probably still a little bit more, but I really want to save the battery for the main run. so let's get right to it. All right, guys, we're all zeroed out. Time for the moment I've been waiting for. Now, keep in mind the EDF thrust assist, pretty much for every 1% throttle input that I give to my finger, that's 10% per EDF. So 10% thrust on EDF for every 1%, just so it can help a little bit of the lower RPM side. So I'll be getting more thrust and they'll already be spooled up. We have our rear wing laid down flat so air can pass through. We're all zeroed out. Just to make sure again, yes. All right, see what we can do. I still feel it from here. I'm gonna try to save the EDF's battery. All right, guys, here we go. Jetlag 2.0. See what that was. 126. That was great. 126 miles an hour. Now, we already beat what the original Jetlag or the Jet Typhon was at 123 on 6S with the 1.3S EDF. So, in all legitimacy, this project is definitely confirmed. Very, very plausible as well. You know, everything happened really well. EDFs are holding up great. Awesome. Alright guys, so if you actually want to support this channel, because none of this stuff is cheap or free, I do have a bunch of Innovation RC shirts over here. If you want one, they're $25 shipped to your hands anywhere in the United States. Just let me know. Contact me at Innovation RC on Instagram or Facebook. If you guys know me, Brandon Botwinick, just contact me at any time, it's no worries. Or if you're local, just knock on my door. You guys know who you are. Now, supplies are limited if you do actually want one, but if there's a higher demand, I'll order more and I'll get more for all of us, because it is actually a really nice shirt. It fits really well, you know. I like it, and it's a perfect shirt to really go outside and just sweat in, you know. If you want a desired shirt that you like to go bashing or speed running with, that you know that you're gonna get dirty, why not?